on second down. Minshew underneath. There he is again. A bobble, but a catch and a first down for the Colts. Minshew pulled it down, and now out to his left. He's able to flip it to Pittman again. 3 straight plays with catches from Michael Pittman. Play action from Minshew. In the pocket, time runs out. Minshew got 9.
He does a good job getting what he could.
Here's Taylor, a first down plus. Knocked down inside the 20. Minshew. Goodson cannot make the spinning grab. Good snap, good hold, good kick. And there's more to talk about that as Stroud, little play action to start. Good protection, airs it out for Collins. He's got it. 1 play, touchdown, Texans. 75 yards to start the night for number 7.
And it's Nico Collins, and there's no disguise to what he's doing. It's just a foot race. He takes off on the deep post. It's rookie Juju Brents who's in coverage on him, and another perfect throw.
Will Anderson Jr. was in the medical tent. Here is a sack by Christian Harris, who's already off to a great start.
One of the reasons why they opened up in max protection to take their shot.
Stroud's going to go and dive, pick up the first down.
Is Bobby Sloak. He's done a good job with this group this year.
Good job by the Colts defense as they get a stop on 3rd and 1. Your Cowboys won 23-6 in Dallas.
Well, congratulations to Mark Perlman, and I know all his family's watching tonight on an outstanding career.
Good for him. Good for Taylor as he's got a first down. Wrestled down after a gain of 14 by DeAndre Houston Carson. Checks out of the play. Play clock at 0. And Minshew is going to air it out for Pierce and overthrow him, but a flag is down. Stroud finally finds a receiver for the first down. The tight end made the grab. That quick throw, pass caught, Hutchinson. With forward progress, they're going to mark him down at the 50, and he's a half-yard short of a first down.
Has to go home and lose in those semifinals.
Boy, you're getting soft.
Well, a little bit.
Here is a catch, a run, but not enough.
But he was really looking forward to getting back home to Houston.
Here's a toss to Singletary. And with the best starting field position of the game so far for the Texans.
He's tried to remain balanced in his approach with the game plan.
Stroud had to pull it down. He's got his big receiver, Saubert. And just his 3rd catch of the year.
And that would then affect what they do here on 3rd.
Throw to Collins. First down plus. Breaking tackles. And sets up 1st and goal. Stroud wide open for the touchdown is the fullback Andrew Beck. Started the game with Nick Cross, the 2nd-year pro at safety with Ronnie Harrison. Here's a handoff to Taylor, and a good start to the drive as Taylor gets 10 plus. Gardner able to escape trouble, and now downfield he fires a strike to Downs. For now they're calling it a catch,
and you just can't miss those.
Trying to get some yardage for a field goal try, you would assume. It was Houston that called the timeout before the 52-yard try by Matt Gay, who nails it. 5 catches, 129 receiving yards and a touchdown. There he is. Why not? First play in the first half went for 75 and a touchdown. This one for 22.
No, and like we talked about, this has been his breakout year, and I think we're going to see these types of seasons in the future from him.
Big pressure, and down goes Stroud. Buckner was there. Collins, not much.
Cameron Johnston, I mean, he's been a real weapon for this Houston team.
Taylor's been one for the Colts. A gain of 11.
About this offensive line and how much improved they are from where they were this time last year.
Well, wide open Granson. And finally a big play from Minshew.
Actually, one of the few places that Minshew could put that ball.
23-yard completion. Here goes Taylor. With Pierce in front. Touchdown, Colts. Colts 3 for 4 in converting on 2-point tries. Pop pass, tie game. Mo Alley Cox. It's 3rd and 8. Pressure. Stroud unloads, incomplete.
But it's been all Jonathan Taylor tonight.
Here's Moss again. 2 carries and a 1st down plus. Just stay with it. You called it. There he goes. Still going down near the 41.
And he's done a good job managing Gardner Minshew also.
3rd down and 9. Minshew, good protection, and the ball is batted down at the line of scrimmage by Malik Collins. 1 short of his career long. He hits the upright, no good. Our guy Chris Collinsworth dubbed it the double doink. At Soldier Field. Here's a little flea flicker. Stroud couldn't find anywhere to go with it through the air, so he picks up a 1st down on the ground.
Take the lead regardless of what might happen here.
3rd and 2. Over the middle. Incomplete. Triple coverage on Hutchinson. Absolutely perfect.
Have a bigger role than what he's had up to this point.
Minshew finds Mo Alley Cox, and he gets a 1st down. 2nd and 14. Minshew has to step up. He's got a receiver and a 1st down, and then a flag for the hit on Michael Pittman Jr. Here's a carry by Moss. On tries, it's 3rd and 9. Over the middle, pass is caught, but short of 1st down yardage. Which he does. Handoff and a 1st down carry by Singletary.
Corners, and of course now with Juju Brents out of the lineup.
Blitz coming off the edge, and down goes Stroud. Ronnie Harrison Jr., the safety. And Stroud saw him too late. Free agent addition for this season, playing a lot of weak side linebacker back at safety. Underneath it, Schultz broke 1 tackle on 2nd and 20 and makes this a 3rd and manageable.
It's the missed tackle. That's
Texans hurry it up, 3rd down and 3. Stroud, good catch. 1st down, Houston. It's Schultz.
Yeah, really nice catch by Dalton Schultz.
Stroud has to spin out of there, backpedaling, and he just throws it to Collins with a diving catch. George Fant is taken back over at right tackle for the Texans. Pass is caught. Collins, 1st and goal. And a flag at the end of the play on the tackle. Moves the ball inside the 5, just outside the 3, 1st and goal. Carry by Singletary for the touchdown. What a drive engineered by the rookie quarterback, C.J. Stroud.
That was a great drive. Excellent work by C.J. Stroud.
However, the extra point is yanked wide left. Backpedaling, pass is caught by Downs. First down plus, still going. The rookie Downs is into Houston territory with a big play. 3rd down and 6. And they hand it off. Taylor. And this is, well, there's a flag at the end of the play.
Banged up pretty good on the play.
He use his hands. Hands in the face. Defense number 96. 5-yard penalty. Automatic first down. 5-yard penalty for the end of the run. First down.
Boy, there's going to be a surge that carries them into the offseason no matter what happens once they get into the postseason.
They do stick with Taylor. Lowers his shoulder and just wills his way near the first down, but he's short. Well, the official on the far side says he's about half a yard short. We're coming up on the 2-minute warning.
No, they gave it to him.
Oh, they switched it. And there he is at the bottom. They stay with the run, and 4th down comes up. It's in Minshew's hand, and a drop by Goodson. Singletary right side. It's 4th down. Cameron Johnston is going to run out of the back of the end zone, take the safety, make it a 4-point game. Downs will bring it. Throws backward to Pittman. He fumbles it backward.